for more on Sonko's case. I'm joined here by my colleague Abdourahmane Dia. He is a reporter with VOA French to Africa service. Abdourahmane, welcome to Africa 54.
Thank you, Esther.
Now, first of all, the word corrupting the youth brings a lot of questions. So this is what the court has decided today. They are not charging him with other things, corrupting the youth. What does that really mean?
Well, I just say that a little bit around 10 days ago, when the prosecutor in his final testimony used that term, a lot of people were surprised and everybody was going to the internet to check what that was, or talking to lawyers and others. It turns out, yes, this crime is there, it exists. The problem is it was never brought before during the whole process, not during the investigation, not during the trial itself. It was basically at the end that the prosecutor said, well, Mr. Judge, if you are not convinced with the rape and death threats issue, the charges, then we want you to charge Ousmane Sonko with this corrupting youth charge. A lot of people were surprised, and today a lot of people are saying, well, since there is no rape or death threat, this is one more proof that the regime is working with the judiciary to keep Mr. Ousmane Sonko from running into the next elections.
So we know there have been protests in capital Dakar and other parts of Senegal because of this case. What's the reaction from Sonko's supporters? And like you say, is there any room for appeal?
It doesn't look like there is any room for appeal because this is a criminal court, and Mr. Sonko did not show up. So a lot of lawyers and analysts think that there is no way to appeal unless the president himself decided to basically issue an amnesty or something of the sort. Now, the reaction was something expected. Now, what we have to watch out is how big of a protest or nationwide will it be. Right now, it looks pretty bad from many cities from what I'm monitoring, whether it's in Dakar and especially in Ziguinchor. There is already one reported death, which people probably have to confirm. But the worry is basically how big this protest will be and how long will they be. But there is definitely a lot of tension right now.
And when is the presidential election slated for?
Well, the election is the big issue, I think, and the fact that President Macky Sall has still not said whether or not he will run is contributing to this whole tension. And Ousmane Sonko's supporters are saying there is no question for him not to run. It is out of the question, and that's the issue to be solved. And I think it will be a power struggle between the regime and Sonko's supporters.
Oh, Abdourahmane, politics in Africa. Well, thank you very much, Abdourahmane, for your reporting.